This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. नमस्कार, मैं हूं अशोक व्यास और गणेश जी का जन्मदिन गणेश चतुर्थी के रूप में पूरे विश्व में तो मनाया ही जाता है। विशेष करके न्यूयॉर्क के हिंदू टेम्पल फ्लशिंग में जिस तरह से भावपूर्ण ढंग से श्रद्धा, उत्साह और उल्लास से 9 दिन तक ये उत्सव मनाया जाता है, वो श्रद्धालुओं को दूर दूर से यहाँ आकर्षित करता है।
चंद्रशेखर जटाधर शूलाधार ज्योति प्रकाश शूलाधार ज्योति प्रकाश विभूति सुंदर परमेश विभूति सुंदर परमेश बोलो नाथ उमापते शंभो शंकर पशुपते।
ॐ गुरुभ्यो नमः श्रीमहागणपतये नमः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ आतून इन्द्रक्षुमन्तं चित्रं ग्राभं संग्रभाय महाहस्ते दक्षिणेन विद्माहित्वाः तुविकूर्मिं तुविदेहेष्णं तुविमघं तुविमात्रममाभिः न हित्वाः शूरदेवानमर्ताः सोदित्सन्तं भीमन्नगां वारयन्ते एतोनिन्द्रं स्तवामेषाः नं वस्वस्वराजं नराधसामर्धिषन्नः प्रस्थोः शदुपकाशिशस्रवत्सामगीयमाहानम् अभिराससा झुगुरत आनोः भरदक्षिणेनाभिसव्येन प्रमृश इन्द्रमानो वसो निर्भाक उपक्रमस्मापरदृशता धृष्णो जनानाम् अधाः शोष्टरस्य वेदाः इन्द्रयवनुते अस्ति वाजो विप्रेभिः सनित्वः अस्माभिः स्वतं सनुः सद्यो जुवस्ते वाजाः अस्मभ्यं विश्वश्चन्द्राः वशैश्च मक्षोजरन्ते निशुसीदगणपते गणेषु त्वामाह हुर्विप्रथमं कवीनां न ऋते त्वत्रियते किञ्चनारे महामर्कं मघवं चित्रमर्च अभिख्यानोः मघवन्नाथमानां सखेः बोधिवसुपते सखीनां ऋणं कृधिरणकः सत्यशुष्मा भक्ते जुदा भजा राजे अस्मान् गणानां त्वा गणपतिं अवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ।
चंद्रशेखर जी, जो गणेश चतुर्थी का पर्व मनाया जा रहा है इस बार, तो पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि स्वर्ण अलंकरण गोल्ड वाला जो ऑर्नामेंट गणेश जी को अर्पित किए गए। आपको कैसा लग रहा है और इसके पीछे जो दर्शन है, जो फिलोसफी है, वो भी थोड़ी शेयर करें।
नमस्ते, माय नेम इज चंद्रशेखर। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। Ganapati means he is the king of all ganas. There is no gana, there is no king, there is no Ganapati. So he is the king of all lords. Today being Ganesha Chaturthi, the Janam Dinan or the birthday of Lord Ganesha, Hasta Nakshatra, today is Ganesh Chaturthi. In Flushing Ganesh temple, we follow the Navadina Mahotsava. In the Navadina, all type of Utsava that you see in any temple, you will find in the Navadina Utsava, starting with Dwaja Arohana, ending with Dwaja Avarohana. You can see the deity or the Lord being bathed, you can see the deity or the Lord being lolly to sing, to sleep. So all type of Utsava is being celebrated here. Why we need all these types of Utsava is like we have Trayastrimshati Koti Devata, means 330 crore Devatas. According to our Icha, we can choose the Devata and pray the Devata. For example, in the Mangala Gauri Vrata this morning, we make a knot on the thread and make puja to the knot, thinking that is Lord. So that is the greatness of Hindu religion, where you can find Lord in everything. So we practice what we preach. So today we have a very, very special Alankaram for Lord Mahavallabha Ganapati. This is a Swarna Alankara. Swarna means pure, pure gold. And whoever is the Mahanubhava, I don't know, whoever is the Mahanubhava who has donated this, has the what you say, has the manas, means to have that, to donate is very difficult. Swarnadanam, Annadanam, Paramdanam, Vidyadanam, Ataf Param. Like that, if you start looking at all the danams, Swarnadanam comes last but one. Last is Kanyadanam. Swarnadanam comes last but one. So this individual has given a Swarnadanam close to probably 20 kilos, which is probably close to 1 million. So that particular individual has the greatest mind to donate, so that millions of people can view and have the Anandam or the Darshanam. Anandam Param. See, all this life is for Anandam. If you can see Ananda, you can see Brahma. If you can see Brahma, if you can see the Lord in you. So many hundreds of people who come here see the gold, the complete gold, and say, wow. So that is where the wow breaking Anandam of the people, and that particular individual, whoever is that, who has made a great donation to the temple.
Om Shrim Grim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanambe Vasamanaya Swaha. Om Shrim Grim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanambe Vasamanaya Swaha.
All 9 days we do all different alankarams, and today being Chaturthi, for the first time we have done Swarna Alankaram. It's all pure 24 karat gold. We got this new Kavacha from India, which we are all excited about in the temple, and it was so fantastic, and the vibrations and the thing we got from as soon as we opened the curtain, it's unbelievable.
Let's talk a little bit about the alankarans that we may expect in the following days.
I think it should be a surprise for all of you, but one of the fantastic alankaram we are doing is white stone alankaram. It will look like diamonds. God is adorned with diamonds. Our decoration team, there are about 10 people. Dr. Sai is the coordinator for the decorations, and she has done a fantastic job, and you should see. Of course, our president, Dr. Uma Mysurkar, is an inspiration for us, and she is behind all our efforts, and it's very great pleasure for all of us as a team to work with her.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. It's an honor to be standing with Dr. Uma Mysurkar with all the energy that reaches devotees through Mahavallabh Ganapati. She has been instrumental in activating that consciousness which connects with the divine to all the devotees. And this year especially we have Swarna Alankaran for Lord Ganapati. Share with us, how do you feel about it, and something special this year?
Yes, this is an extraordinary day. Ganesh Chaturthi is always one of the greatest festivals, especially for this temple. Navadina Mahotsava is unique. Each day is something that all of us look forward to. And today, this year, Ganesh Chaturthi happens to fall on a Sunday, which made thousands of people so convenient to come and take the blessing of the Lord. For the first time, we were able to prepare a gold kavacha for the Lord. And so Swarna Alankara, where the Lord is completely adorned with the gold kavacha, is something unique. And you just feel, as our grandmothers and grandfathers used to say, 2 eyes are not enough to appreciate. It is not just the appreciation of the beauty, but the energy that is emitted from this deity through this wonderful gold is just indescribable. So I think what's important to understand is, all of us who come to worship the Lord, we just don't look at the beauty of the Lord, but we are here to imbibe that energy that will re-energize us for us to continue to do our service to ourselves first, to our families, to our neighbors, and of course to the society and for the rest of the community. And I think with the help of the worship of the Lord, and especially on such days, these kind of remarks are just reminders, and we hope that our youngsters will learn from these why so many people come on such days, and sincerely hope that our youngsters continue to follow the practices that we in this generation have done, and hopefully they'll do even better than that.
दन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं।
It only intensifies our faith that when you have faith in Him, He will guide you and give you what you want. We did plan most of these, and I must tell you honestly, it went much better than what we had planned. That's because of the love, the passion, the devotion that all of us have towards the Lord.
गं गणपतये नमः ॐ गं गणपतये नमः ॐ गं गणपतये नमः.
Things that happen, they question, or people feel that their faith is shattered if they put all of that in one person. So many saints, as Skhalan is the word in Sanskrit, for whatever reason, when these kind of news are bombarded on the people, they start thinking about how Hinduism is functioning, why people start following a path which leads them to a state where they feel at a loss. From that point of view, what would be your advice?
Swami Vivekananda has said, God is within you. I mean, that is the Vedantic message he gave not just to the Hindus, but the Western world in 1893 when he addressed the World Parliament of Religions. Unless you have faith within yourself, there can be no faith in God, because God is within you. And if that is the case, if you are determined to do what you want to do, with that help of faith and love and passion, you can achieve it. And which means he also says, you must speak to the Lord, read the Lord, have the Lord within you, and sleep with the Lord. In other words, everything that we do is for, by, and from the Lord. And I think if we keep this kind of a message and have this faith, enormous faith, no matter what, I will achieve this. And that is what really is the key to success. Once you begin to doubt your own abilities, then you are a failure. Once you know, I have set up for certain things, no matter what I will try to do this, efforts must be there, leave the results to the Lord, and I think we will achieve it. Of course, people will question and say, how can you say this? Well, a lot of people have asked me, how can you say this? Because we also try very hard, we can't. You may be trying hard, but you don't have faith in yourself. That's my answer. So faith is really extremely important. With that faith, you can move mountains, you can actually bring rain when there is drought.
Thank you very much. On that faithful note, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Happy Ganesh, thank you.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.